Hello friends, welcome back to the Checkout Guy YouTube channel. In this video, you will learn how to automatically hide a payment method when the product count or the number of products in your wholesale customers cart is greater than a specific amount. For example, if your cart is having more than 50 products, then you can hide this cash and delivery method from the payment section and you can encourage bank deposit or check or dump demand as the payment method. So let's get started on how this can be configured. Before going to the video, please make sure that you have subscribed to our channel for more Shopify tips. For setting this up, I am using B2B Order Limit app, which is available from the Shopify App Store. I have also attached the link to this app in the description box. You can check it out. After installing the app, open the app from the Shopify admin panel and click on the payment role section. Now click on create new role. Now you can name your rule as your wish. Let's say like hide COD for all wholesale customers. I'm just adding in just the title as here, and I'm just planning to give some description on my role. If you need to add any additional information on why this rule is for and what this does, those things you can add up over here. And this is completely an optional one. If you want to skip, then you can just skip this field. I'm adding like hide my COD for all my wholesale customers when the total product count is greater than 50. So my targeting of the customers will be all customers. So you can also target this customer with specific tag or customers who has spent over a limit of amount, those things. And in case of order conditions, I am adding the product count is greater than 50. So if you have multiple conditions to get satisfied, then just click on add condition and give the condition type as like that. So if you are giving any additional condition, you can also choose some match type, like all condition must match or any condition must match. So if you are choosing any condition must match, then the rule will check for the any conditions to be get satisfied to enable. Otherwise, you can choose the all condition must match. So for now, I am not adding multiple conditions. I am giving only one condition as the product count should be greater than 50. And my action will be hide the payment method, and my payment method to hide is the cash on delivery. So I am adding COD as to hide. So all my setup has done. After adding all the details, please make sure that your status is active and then save it. Now let's test this up in our online store. So I am having some products already in my cart. So there are total 20 plus 10, 30, 31 products are there in my cart. So let's try to check out this. So I can see the cash on delivery as the payment method here. Now let's exceed the total number of products more than 50. So let's say I'm adding 30 of these products and 30 of these products. So let's try to check out now. Now there are more than 50 products in my cart. So you can see that the cash on delivery method has removed from this payment method section. So this is how you can hide the payment method from based on the product number of products in your cart. So while you're waiting for, just grab the link from the description box and try this out in your wholesale store. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also please do like, comment and share. Thanks for watching.